we are going to find the range of this particular function that's given on the right here. Okay, so for this one, we can think of the domain, right? You're a lord or you're a queen, you look out on your domain, your land, and that is the x-axis, that is horizontal. You look out on your mountain range, and that is up and down, that is y. So y is equal to range and domain is equal to x. Okay, now we can see from this one here that it's this bit here. Okay, so what is the standard equation for square roots? All right, so we're going to say that y is equal to a, all right, bx plus c plus d, and we can see that d moves the function up and down, right? If we just have the square root of x, it looks something like this, just straight up. But if we have plus 1, well then this guy is moved up by 1. Okay? And that's going to be important. The other thing that affects our range is this value of a. So if we have a minus sign now, so instead of just plotting it as we did before like this, now it's going to be flipped like this. And if we have a minus 1, then we go down by 1 and it goes underneath like that. So we can see that a and d are the ones that really affect us here. So this one here and this one here. In our case, our value of a is equal to 10. So that means that it's going to be positive. Our value of d, however, is equal to minus 8. So we've gone down by minus 8. It's a bit hard to see because the scale is so large here, but this is actually, it's gone down slightly by minus 8. Okay, so what we can say is that our range is from minus 8 and upwards, right? So y has to be greater than or equal to minus 8. All right. So what does that look like? We have to write it in a special format. So we have to say that the range, all right? Now the range is our value y. That's what we're saying is the output. And it is an element, which is that e thing, of all real numbers. And all real numbers include like pi, 3.4, 20 million, all of that sort of stuff. And then this is where we put our constraints on our range. And that is how you get this particular question.